Hey guys, this is Cutie88. I'm coming to show you guys a wig, a loose deep wave wig. It is 24 inches and it is from Ishow hair. So I'm just showing you the contents of the box. It came very well packaged, especially when I put it on my head. So this is just me applying it to my head, just sizing it out, putting the clips in, just feeling how the sizing is and fluffing out the curls. It is so soft, minimal shedding. It looks like it has three-way parting, and it is a 4x4 closure. So yep, this is just me. It has baby hair. The lace is very delicate and nice. So this is me just putting some Got2b glue, Got2b gel on my edges and actually putting the wig back on my hair and tacking it down. I did wait for it to get dry. I didn't show that part. But I put like 2 layers and a wig cap and made sure it got dry. So it's gone really fast, sorry. I cut the lace off and I didn't do much plucking here at this point. Just parting it, just kind of adjusting it. And then I'm gonna cut the baby hair off. It came with very nice baby hair. I kind of did the baby hair kind of intense, but I'm gonna change it. But yeah, I'm using the white Got2b gel with this wig. I'm starting to like the white one actually better than the black tube. The black tube gets too crusty, the white one actually doesn't. And it doesn't leave a white hue around your forehead if you only use a little bit. So I'm starting to like the white one better than the black tube. So yeah, I just wanted to do this wig in a flip over look. I really love the flip over look. And as you can see, I'm not really doing a lot of modifying to the part or anything. I want you ladies to see just how it looks if it comes straight off your head. Excuse me, straight out the box and onto your head. So no a lot of modifying. I am gonna put some mousse to try to lay down and flatten the top. And as you're going to see in a second, I'm also going to use a curling wand to add some heat to help it lay down. This is Cutie88. I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. This wig review is sponsored by Ishow hair, and this is a 24-inch loose deep lace front wig. It is a 4x4-inch closure wig, and this is loose deep texture in 24 inches. So let's get into it. So I just wanted to actually just put this wig on and let you guys see how it looks out of the pack with very little changing it, very little customizing it. So this is how it looks. The only thing I did, as you can see, is took it out the pack. I put it on my hair. I cut the lace off. I did tweeze it just a little bit, but you have to be careful because I noticed the hair is very sensitive and you can make bald spots very easily. So I stopped plucking it because I didn't want to do it too much. I didn't want to make too many bald spots. But I did cut the lace off and I didn't put any product in the actual hair. What I did was I just sprayed a little water at the root and put just a little bit of mousse and just tried flattening it just a little bit with my curling wand. I didn't want to make a dedicated part. I wanted to look like a flip over method. So this is how it looks straight out the box. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous wig. Loose deep. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I feel like it's true to length. It goes way past my armpit. So, it almost reaches my waist. So, and I'm 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. So that's awesome if it hits my waist and it's 24 inches. So it is a very pretty curl pattern. It's a natural brown color. It doesn't look black. And this is like a gorgeous, I love this. For this to be fresh out the pack It doesn't have a horrible smell to it. It's very soft. Like I said, the only thing I noticed is you can easily over pluck this wig and create bald spots. I think I actually created one. I had to cut back the lace a little bit further. So you cannot be heavy-handed with the plucking on this. This is a 4x4 closure, so it only has a small 4x4 parting space. But this is an awesome unit. It is so soft. I definitely want to give an update on this unit in a while. But the ends are thick. The hair feels thick. It's not heavy at all. It's very light. I can definitely run my fingers through it without any snags. And as far as shedding, besides what I plucked, maybe one strand there. I think this is what I plucked. Like a little chunk came out from what I plucked. But it is so soft. It looks like the hair gets slightly lighter at the ends. I'm not sure if that's my lighting or not. But it's gorgeous. Like, I'm feeling very glamorous. But I can also see myself wearing this every day. I would eventually put a little bit of product on this. Not necessarily product, but I can see myself putting some conditioner in a spray bottle and kind of just spraying it and twisting it up at night, putting a bonnet on my head, and the pressure from me sleeping on the hair will, you know, maintain the loose, deep look. So when I take the twists out, maybe like 4 twists, when I take the twists out in the morning, it'll maintain this look, kind of like a twist out on virgin hair. So I'm loving it. I really hope it doesn't lose this volume because I like the volume. It's not very thick hair. I mean, it's not thin, but this is all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the back. So, I mean, it's not very thick, but it's not thin. Like it's slightly over natural density, and the hair keeps getting stuck to my lip gloss. Like, I can't stand that, but it's very nice. I tend to wear my flip overs this way. I don't really like to wear it the other way, but see, I didn't really pluck this. I didn't really do the overly trying to make it look realistic right now. I kind of just threw it on so you guys can see, because most of you ladies just need to see how it looks out of the box, because honestly, we don't feel like doing that much customization. I mean, it's not a pre-plucked hairline. It's going to need some work if you want to wear it back in a ponytail and make it look like it's really your edges, but I just wanted to see how it is out the pack and if I can get away with it with not doing all of that. And I really feel like I can. Like I said, I didn't do a part, a little bit of baby hair in the front. It does look like I have a thick hairline, but it doesn't look bad. Like, it doesn't look like, oh, she just threw a wig on her head. The lace is very light. As far as the durableness, it's durable, but it's very thin. And it's not, which is a good thing, because it's not going to cut into your skin. It's not going to feel itchy and heavy really fast. And it's very invisible. Like, it's almost invisible lace. It doesn't have much of a brown tint to it. For some women, that can be a disadvantage because of their skin color. But this one actually melted really well into my hairline. I mean, into my own hair. And I can't really, okay, I see it a little bit. I can't really tell like where the lace is. So it's a good thing for me that the lace is pretty invisible, because it's matching my skin color very well. So I am loving this unit. I'm not gonna put anything in it right now. I'm just gonna go to sleep on it and try to do an update. Yes, I have moved, if you see another background. So I apologize if I'm slow with making videos. There's a lot going on, but I'm gonna try to do an update on this because I really wanna see how it holds up and I really wanna show you guys. But I'm loving this curl pattern. It is so pretty for the summertime. And so long, it's so pretty. Like I said, I hope it doesn't lose its volume, but definitely check out Ishow Hair. They are an awesome vendor, great reviews. Definitely check them out. The information will be below. Like I said, this is the loose, deep 24-inch lace front wig, 4x4 closure. The information will be below. So thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you are feeling this. And definitely check it out and get your hands on one. So thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.